Om een duurzamere toekomst te bereiken zijn bedrijven verplicht om hun afvalstromen te verminderen. Bovendien moet bij de productie van nieuwe producten een minimaal percentage gerecycled materiaal worden hergebruikt. Er worden daarom steeds hogere eisen gesteld aan de zuiverheid en het rendement van afvalstromen. Merel en Roy van Eurofins Materials Science Nederland vertellen ons meer.
A lot is expected from companies in relation to plastic recycling. Legal requirements demand from companies to document how much recycled plastic is used in their production processes, and to avoid greenwashing, supporting evidence must be provided that recycled material has actually been used. Currently, there are no standard analytical methods available that can prove that packaging materials actually contain recycled content. The laboratory searches for unique chemical fingerprints to distinguish new plastic from recycled plastic, and many techniques are used to find the best approach. I will show you some actions taken in the research process. It starts with samples that contain a known amount of recycled content, and often a sample preparation is required to enable a suitable analysis, such as grinding the material to a powder and then dissolving it or performing an extraction. The composition, purity, and physical properties of the plastic material are verified by using various chemical characterization techniques. And even though research is still ongoing, interesting indicators have already been found by making use of chromatographic techniques such as LCMS and GBC. The outcome of this research will be of interest to all parties, which include recycling companies, production companies, as well as legislation.
The European Union has defined a critical list for raw materials. That's a part of the Green Deal. By recycling batteries and electronic equipment, it is possible to reuse the raw materials. The quality of the recycled raw materials must be the same as the quality of the virgin raw materials. More and better separation techniques must be developed. Before we can start, we have to know our waste materials. A customer sends us this kind of waste materials to the lab, and then we have to analyze it. Because the samples are very inhomogeneous, we first go to sample split it. At the moment the sample is quite coarse. When we're going to grind it, then the particles will be smaller, so it's more homogeneous. After grinding the sample, we press the powder to a cellulose pill that we can measure with X-ray fluorescence. This apparatus can measure from fluorine to uranium in quite a small time. In 45 minutes you have to complete the composition.
Door gebruik te maken van de brede kennis en ervaring van laboratoria kan er dus gewerkt worden aan verschillende technologieën, die vervolgens weer bij kunnen dragen aan een duurzamere toekomst.